are learning about wolves. This is not a real wolf right here. It's just a stuffed animal. Don't freak out. So, wolves have very good sniffers because they, like my dog. Oh, my dog is not one. Oh, she's supposed to, and then we got her. So, like these dogs right here, these dogs have very good sniffers because they always are hungry. And if you have a dog, it must be a big tooth right here or here. No, right here. Right here. No, yeah, that's where I was pointing. And the tails, maybe you'll see it. And no, I'm talking about the fur. Okay, they like their fur is made for snow. This is a snow wolf. The snow wolves, maybe sometimes they will hide in the snow and pounce. Sometimes they do that, so you want to be careful if you live up north. Look right here. Look right here. This is where a wolf area is. And I'm telling you about one more thing about wolves. They are the they go very, very fast. Cheetahs is the fastest animal on earth. Yeah, I know. These are the second fastest animals on the earth. There's cheetahs first and then this. That is 60 miles. No, they go pretty fast. These wild wolves go really fast. If you have a pet wild wolf, that would be hard to train. So you have to keep in the cage and force down. Sorry, Daddy was turning up the radio. And let me grab the pencil to see this little part right here. Wolves.
Which part's your side?
Okay, and their ears right here. Okay, they must have like another section. This is just a stuffed animal, and they have very good hearing too. Their ears move back and forth, and they run. They can live up north. They can live down south, kind of, or they can live up. Coyotes can live up where we're supposed to be. Milton. Coyotes live in Milton. That's a kind of wolf. And foxes are kind of a...
And bears.
And bears are up here and down south. So you want to be careful if you have a wild wolf. Or they can... I will tell you what they eat. They eat meat, and they can eat a raccoon. They can eat a possum. They can eat a mice, maybe, or they can eat some
deer,
or some deer. Yeah, and they live in a pack, not one wolf all by itself. One wolf all by itself.
The white one.
One wolf.
Trent, stop it.
The white one leads the pack, and okay, I'll show you what about the eyes. Okay, they have night vision eyes. That's cool.
Yeah,
like my dog is supposed to be a wild dog. And she was, when we bought, she was a puppy. Now she's so grown up. So we are having, this is just a stuffed animal. Bye!
And I'll tell you where they live. Did I tell you? They pretty much live in North America. And bye. Bye.
Bye.